What if the story we've been told isn't the whole truth? As the good American family races toward its explosive finale, Episode 7 is about to turn everything upside down. Just when it felt like the truth behind the Barnetts and Natalia Grace was finally clear, new revelations, hidden evidence, and a relentless investigator enter the picture. This isn't just a plot twist. It's the episode that could shift public opinion forever. And by the time the credits roll, this case may never look the same again. The investigation reopens in tomorrow's highly anticipated chapter titled, If You Tell a Story Well Enough. After years of silence and scandal, Detective Dale returns, with fresh eyes on a case the world thought was closed. He's not just revisiting old facts, he's building something that could tear down everything the Barnetts tried to bury. More questions rise about Natalia's age, identity and abandonment, the emotional and legal stakes spiral. Who's coming forward now? What testimony will finally come to light? Last week's episode laid the groundwork. Episode 6 was a harrowing look into Natalia's time with the man's family, an era marked by instability and emotional confusion. But now, Episode 7 swings the spotlight back to where it all began, the courtroom and the psychological minefield that surrounds it. Focus returns to Christine and Michael Barnett, the couple whose decision to legally declare their adopted daughter an adult shocked the nation and divided the internet. A powerful performance takes center stage. A layered portrayal of Christine Barnett is pulling viewers in with its quiet intensity and emotional tension. Her version of events is now being torn apart, and what's left might change everything. Just one episode away from the end. With only one chapter left after this, the good American family is showing its full hand. Episode 7 will challenge every assumption, every theory, and prepare everyone for a conclusion that's bound to spark controversy. From courtroom drama to emotional reckoning, this penultimate episode is where it all begins to collide. Set a reminder, The Good American Family. Episode 7 premieres Wednesday, April 23rd at midnight, only on Hulu. Whether you've been here from the beginning or are just diving into this chilling true story, this is the one episode you do not want to miss. Because after this week, the truth will be impossible to ignore. Share your theories in the comments and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates from Soul Survivor.